Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Jane. I'm currently stationed as the Clinical Research Department Head in Siloam Hospitals, Siloam Clinical Research. A bit background for Siloam Hospitals. We are currently the largest private hospital network in Indonesia, and we are aiming to become the trusted destination for holistic and world-class healthcare. Having 41 hospitals, 76 clinics across 28 cities in Indonesia, we are in the position to advance technologies in healthcare, and we are always inspired to provide the healthcare that we can have for our Indonesian patients. We've been in these industries for more than 30 years now, and we are in the position to have so many firsts in Indonesia. So we are the first hospital in Indonesia to have the first GCI accredited hospital. We have our top ranked private center hospital as well in MRCC in Jakarta, and so on and so forth. And one thing that we realized especially during the COVID pandemic, is that if we want to keep advancing in technologies in healthcare, we need to also invest in clinical research because it is the future of medicine. Cannot just deliver services without contributing to the research welfare as well. So that is why 5 years ago we decided to build this department in the hopes of being the one-stop center for all the clinical research activities in Siloam hospitals. Because we do believe that clinical research is the foundation of advancing healthcare. It will ensure that the medical intervention are not only safe and effective, but also relevant to the people that we serve. In Indonesia alone, much of our medical practice has historically relied on research from other countries. While these global studies have offered great insights, such findings may not always address the specific health needs for our local populations. In Siloam, we have managed to bridge this gap, and it is a clear mission for us to contribute meaningfully to global research while we strengthen the quality and relevance of clinical trials for Indonesian patients. So far, our portfolio has rose to 32 projects in the last 4 years. The top therapeutic areas would be oncology, infectious disease, and neurology. We've been receiving many tropical diseases trials. I would say that it is contributing to the factor that we are in a tropical country. And that leads us to one of our exciting projects with Recce Pharmaceuticals. We've been introduced to this project around 2 years ago, and we know that through these clinical trials, the work with Recce Pharmaceuticals, we are able to provide some access to our Indonesian patient who has a diabetic foot ulcer condition. And it's one of the way to find a new treatment regimens to the current DFU populations. We are looking forward to continuously support Recce Pharmaceuticals and this clinical trial. We have been working with two Siloam hospitals, one in Siloam Hospitals Lipo Village in Karawaci, and then the other one is in Bali, Siloam Hospitals Denpasar. And we've supported them with the patient recruitment, doing the informed consent, monitoring the visit. We do the follow-ups, And so far, all the patient has been treated with this either Recce or the placebo that we provided. Um, all in all, we're very excited. We will look into the preliminary result later on, and I'm looking forward to finish this study. Thank you so much.